As manager for maintenance, energy, production, or even the whole plant, you have to take care of so many things. However, your main goal remains to reduce your total cost of ownership. And you keep also looking to improve the KPIs of your business for becoming even more excellent. Exploding energy costs, expected or unexpected downtime, or simply audits? No matter what of the mentioned things concerns you, we are here to support you with our TPM services. They form a holistic portfolio providing exactly what you are looking for to master your challenges. Our central purpose is supporting you. We want to help you maximizing uptime and minimizing total cost of ownership. In other words, increase your efficiency. But how do you get started? As starting point, we recommend to use our maintenance management module. Here, we provide the documentation of all maintenance tasks. And this is how it works. Step 1. Map down all your assets and loop points in the Efficiency Manager, our digital service platform. If demanded, we can also do loop point mapping on site. Step 2. Define all your lubrication tasks with their costs. If you operate in a sensitive industry like food, you can also upload relevant certificates like kosher or halal to ensure that you are audit proof. Furthermore, you also benefit from automated reminders and efficient knowledge transfer. The information in the maintenance management module also serves as basis for our further services. If you want, we also recommend optimum lubricants and best practices. We are happy to pioneer with you to reduce the total cost of ownership. In the end, we all benefit from reducing waste of energy and resources. Did we catch your interest? Then get in touch with us and start the journey together.